Imagine a warship so massive that it carries an entire air force on its deck, so powerful that it can project military strength anywhere on Earth, and so advanced that it represents the future of naval warfare. This is the USS Gerald R. Ford, the most technologically advanced aircraft carrier ever built by the United States Navy. Costing billions of dollars and packed with revolutionary technology, this floating fortress is changing the way naval battles are fought. Today, we're taking you deep inside one of the most impressive warships ever to sail the oceans. As the flagship of the Ford-class aircraft carriers, the USS Gerald R. Ford was designed to replace the legendary Nimitz-class carriers that dominated the seas for decades. Stretching more than 1,000 feet in length and displacing around 100,000 tons, this giant vessel is essentially a floating city. Thousands of sailors live and work aboard, operating around the clock to keep the carrier mission ready at all times. What truly sets the USS Gerald R. Ford apart is its groundbreaking technology. Unlike older carriers that rely on steam catapults, the Ford uses the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, better known as EMALS. This revolutionary system uses powerful electromagnetic energy to launch aircraft from the flight deck with greater precision and less stress on the aircraft. The result is faster operations, reduced maintenance, and the ability to launch a wider variety of aircraft. The flight deck is the heart of the carrier. Here, fighter jets, surveillance aircraft, and helicopters operate in a carefully coordinated dance of speed and precision. F-35C Lightning II stealth fighters roar into the sky, while F/A-18 Super Hornets prepare for missions that can range from air superiority to ground attack operations. Every launch and recovery is a display of incredible teamwork, where even the smallest mistake can have serious consequences. Powering this enormous ship are two advanced nuclear reactors. These reactors provide enough energy not only to propel the carrier at speeds exceeding 30 knots but also to power its sophisticated systems and future technologies. Unlike conventional ships, the carrier can operate for decades without needing to refuel its reactors, giving it unmatched endurance and global reach. The USS Gerald R. Ford is equipped with some of the most advanced radar and defense systems ever installed on a warship. Its powerful sensors can detect and track threats across vast distances, while its defensive weapons protect the ship from incoming missiles, aircraft, and other dangers. Combined with escorting destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and support vessels, the carrier forms the center of a carrier strike group, one of the most powerful military formations in existence. Life aboard the ship is demanding. Thousands of sailors work in shifts 24 hours a day. From maintaining aircraft and operating radar systems to preparing meals and managing logistics, every crew member plays a critical role in keeping the vessel operational. For many sailors, the carrier becomes a second home during long deployments across the world's oceans. One of the most impressive aspects of the USS Gerald R. Ford is its ability to generate a higher number of aircraft sorties than previous carriers. Thanks to improved weapons elevators, advanced deck layouts, and automated systems, aircraft can be armed, fueled, and launched more efficiently. This means the carrier can respond faster during military operations and maintain a greater combat presence when needed. The ship has already demonstrated its capabilities during major deployments, proving that the next generation of aircraft carriers is ready for the challenges of modern warfare. Whether conducting combat missions, supporting allies, responding to crises, or demonstrating American naval power, the USS Gerald R. Ford serves as a symbol of technological innovation and military strength. As global tensions continue to evolve, aircraft carriers remain among the most important assets in naval strategy. The USS Gerald R. Ford represents not only the present but also the future of carrier operations. With its advanced systems, unmatched power, and ability to project force across the globe, it stands as one of the most formidable warships ever constructed. The oceans have always been a stage where great powers demonstrate their strength, and the USS Gerald R. Ford is one of the most powerful actors ever to take that stage. Massive, sophisticated, and incredibly capable, this floating fortress is redefining what an aircraft carrier can be and ensuring that its presence is felt wherever it sails. If you enjoyed this look inside the world's most advanced aircraft carrier, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's most powerful military machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.